Hello and welcome to Crewe Volkswagen. My name's Lucy and today I'm going to take you around this approved used vehicle we've got in stock. So this is a Touareg V6 R-Line with a 3 litre 286 brake horsepower engine. This vehicle has an 8-speed Tiptronic DSG gearbox and is finished in pure white paint with the 20-inch alloy wheels and the silver roof rails to the roof. Just going to show you a few features on this car, just starting off in the boot. Using the key, you can open this boot electronically. And as you'd expect from a Touareg, you've got tons of space in here with your diverse parcel shelf, so you can adapt this to however you'd need. Heading on into the back of the car, this vehicle is finished in the full Vienna leather with the 2 front heated seats. This car has also got 4-zone climate control. Got your armrest in the back there for any back passengers. And heading on into the driver's side, you've got your front and rear electric windows with your door mirrors as well. Boot opening, central locking, and your automatic headlights. Got your full leather wrapped multifunctional steering wheel with dashboard ahead. You can also adapt and change what you view on your dashboard, so if you were travelling you could have your navigation system a lot easier when driving. On the screen here you've got your full DAB radio that you can select through many channels. You've also got Discover Navigation. You can also connect your phone via App Connect using Android Auto, Apple Carplay or Mirrorlink. And you've also got your air conditioning systems that you can control on the screen as well. Here's your easy access to the aircon systems, and as I mentioned before, the heated seats, and you've also got a heated steering wheel on this car as well. This vehicle also comes with the rear camera for reversing and parking, makes it so much easier. You've got your DSG gearbox and driver mode selections here. Now if you'd like any more information on this vehicle, then please give us a call on 01270 50 70 50 and select option 1 for the sales team.